Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Fred Jones. Do you know who is Fred Jones? Fred Jones is a brave and smart boy who loves to solve mysteries with his friends. He is the leader of the mysteries team, which includes his pals Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, Velma and Daphne. Fred is always coming up with a clever plan to catch the bad guys and solve the puzzles they find. He drives the Mystery Machine, a cool van that helps them travel to different places where they solve mysteries. Fred is known for being strong, friendly, and always ready to help others. Kids love watching Fred as he bravely leads his friends on fun and exciting adventures. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.